Once again, we are back at Anchor Presents What You Thinks, bringing to you yet another interesting and gripping episode. Get ready for the fun. It's just about to begin. Hello and welcome to the second episode of Anchor Presents What You Thinks with Ankit. I'm your host, Ankit Kantidas, an undergrad student of Jadavpur University. Today we have with us our four panelists, Ms. Dipshika Kormakar, Ms. Shreya Paul, Ms. Kathy Mondol, and Mr. Raghuta Bhattacharya, who will be sharing their opinions and views on the motion Durga Puja versus pandemic. Deepika Kormakar is an undergrad student of Jadavpur University, Department of Comparative Literature. Shogata Bhattacharya is also an undergrad student of Jadavpur University, Department of Comparative Literature. Shreya Paul is an undergrad student of Jadavpur University, Department of Comparative Literature. And Shati Mondol is a class 12 student of Binodini Girls High School, Dhakuria. Without wasting any time, let's jump into our main topic. First, we start with Deepshika. With the pandemic reigning all around us, do you think Durga Puja should be conducted?
I mean, it would be nice if we can conduct it with all the precautions, but I think that we need to tone it down a little bit since it is not the time to celebrate festivities in a major way. But yeah, I mean, we can cut each other a bit of slack and celebrate it, obviously, but with all the precautions that we can take.
Yes, what kind of precautions?
I think, first of all, maintaining a distance, and second of all, I think it would be really nice if we can build all of the pandals at least on the main road, or at least so that people don't need to walk. They can just visit the Thakurs and everything in their cars and whatever. I think that is going to be, I think that would really work if people can maintain the distance as of now.
But we haven't seen any kind of distance during Moharram, during Ganesh Puja. What's your view on that?
I don't think that people are even whatever I said, it is a very as I always say, it's easier said than done. I don't think people are anyway going to take so many things under consideration when they are hopping out. But the best that we can do right now is hope for the best and at least do our little bit in our own way and try to make the little difference that we can. What I was saying is that we can only do our little bit and hope that it makes a difference in the wider picture, basically.
Okay, anyone else want to suggest something regarding this question?
Shreya here. One thing I can say is we cannot change the entire scenario. It's not in our hands. Let's just be realistic. Let's just do our bit. That's it. And we cannot tone down this entire situation because this entire occasion of Durga Puja is about jaw, chest thumping. It means a lot to so many people. We cannot just tell people, stay home, stay safe.
Yes, it's like an emotion.
It's an emotion. We cannot tone it down completely. Let's be realistic.
Also helps in the economy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Definitely.
It helps in the economy of the entire state. I mean, there are so many people, like the people who actually make the DTs. So they also need some sort of job, right? I mean, this is their prime time.
With whatever she said, it's the time for revenue generation for so many small industries, the idol makers and so many other people. Just think about the small ice cream shacks, the small cotton candy shacks. They just wait for this time. So it's all about that revenue generation. So let's not make that mark.
Interesting point. Anyone else? Yes, go on.
So, we already know that due to the nationwide pandemic and this lockdown, the other festivals and celebrations like Poila Boishakh, Ganesh Puja, Rakhi Purnima are previously affected. And Durga Puja is also our biggest festival of our Bengal. And it is not just a religious festival anymore, but it has impact in the income of a lot of people from all the sections of our society. A lot of people their stall nearby the pandals and gain money. but Durga Puja and other pujas will come every year and again and again, and we can celebrate them. So it will be better to if we not don't celebrate this year pujo.
So you are saying it is better to avoid Durga Puja in this pandemic, right?
Yes,
Are you
Yes,
saying to
okay.
not celebrate anything, just completely shut it
Yes,
down?
this is an argument, yes.
yes.
Okay.
But we have celebrated Muharram, we have celebrated Ganesh Puja, we
Yeah.
have celebrated Bangali New Year, Poila Boishakh. What about that?
Due to the pandemic, the pujo committees are all facing budget cuts,
Yeah.
and they are facing budget cuts and have also donated some amount of money from their pujo budget to the CM relief fund for the pandemic, and
Okay.
and this is a point.
But
Yeah,
I think
I really want
nobody.
to.
Yeah, sure,
Show
Gautam,
Gautam,
you
show
go
Gautam.
ahead.
Yeah, so I just want to say that Shati je point up bolo that we budgets and all this thing. Basically, a lot of the most the sponsorships, most of the sponsorships of the Pujo
Yes.
actually comes from big cities like metro cities like Bangalore, Delhi, and
Yeah.
Bombay. And the pandemic is actually it's far more severe in those metro cities. So maybe there is that's why the budget cut is happening. And you can't ask Bengali to stop eating Roshogolla. So Roshogolla
Yeah.
khawa and Durga Pujo, it's emotion. You just can't ask them to you just can't forbid them to watch Uttam Kumar and Suchitra Sen on big screen.
Yeah.
Just like Durga
Absolutely.
Pujo.
I
Moreover,
completely agree.
I don't think nobody is asking for a lavish pujo. I don't think that's what the
True.
main point is over here. We are not saying that you need to make a 70-foot idol to
Exactly.
celebrate the entire Durga Puja. What we are saying is that
Nice point.
give us that time so that we can enjoy our time and yet be safe. I mean, if every person acts a bit responsibly, we can always ensure our own safety. You can't just condone people and be like, no, you can't go out, you can't step out. Things are not going to work like that, and it has never worked out like that. I mean, even when the lockdown was extremely severe, there were so many people who were stepping out without masks, and I see that every day. And I don't think that is like a really valid point over here.
Anyone else want to say something?
I think I do agree with Shogoto because
Okay.
see, even Durga Ma with her entire family might be taking enough precautions to come down to earth. Like they would come down to earth with masks, sanitizers, and gloves, and so much. And this year's Mahisasura will be coronavirus. That's what I feel. The entire theme. But I completely do agree with Shogoto because see, nobody's asking you to spend lavishly, and there should be no pomp, no glitz and glam because COVID-19 is already a colossal hindrance. But choices are diverse from circumstances this time. So what I feel is the tradition of Durga Puja, the legacy of Durga Puja, that should be retained. But having said that, people have lost their jobs and they have no money in their hands. We can buy less clothes, we can have less food or less expensive food this time. And instead of having those big idols and lavish Durga idols adorned with diamond jewelry and
Candles.
designing the sari. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Omni Mitra Paul designing the sari. We can just tone it down a little bit. Let's just keep it very simple, family oriented, pujas at home. It's so that instead of pandal hopping and going to big pandals, let's just tone it down, keep it simple. Also, there is one plus point to it: less wastage of electricity, less wastage of food, and in general, less wastage of resources in general. Because Durga Puja, we have seen people waste resources a whole lot, be it anything.
How do you think Durga Puja should be conducted this year with regards to the safety guidelines that ought to be maintained? Sorry.
দুদিন আগেই আমাদের যে মেট্রো চালু হলো, তো সেখানে নানা রকম গাইডলাইন মানা হচ্ছে, লাইক ওখানে স্যানিটাইজারের রাখা হয়েছে, তো এবং সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্সিংও মেনটেন করা হচ্ছে। এরকম ভাবে যদি আমরা পুজোর সময়, যদি খুব ছোট করেও যদি হয় পুজো, যদি পুজোর সময় ওরকম স্যানিটাইজার, মাস্ক, তারপর সোশ্যাল ডিস্টেন্সিং, এগুলো যদি মাস্ট করে দেওয়া হয়, করতেই হবে, তাহলে হয়তো অনেকটা মেনটেন করা যাবে।
আমরা যখন লকডাউন করেছিলাম, লকডাউন যখন শেষ করে দেওয়া হলো বেঙ্গলে, তো আমরা দেখতে পাই যে মানে গভর্নমেন্ট বলেছিল বাসের মধ্যে দুজন করে মানে একটা সিটে বসবে না, একজন করে বসবে। তো আমরা সেটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি না রাস্তায়। রাস্তায় আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি বাসের মধ্যে ওরকম ভাবেই লোক ঝুলে ঝুলে অফিস যাচ্ছে, কাজে যাচ্ছে, আর বাইরে লোক বিনা মাস্কে করে বেড়াচ্ছে। ইউ কান্ট। তো এতে তুমি কি বলতে চাও যে তুমি দুর্গাপুজোর সময় আমরা ওটা মেনটেন করতে পারবো?
না, পারবো না। তাই জন্যই আমি ফার্স্টে বলেছিলাম যে দুর্গাপুজো না হলেই বেটার, কারণ প্রত্যেক বছরই পুজোটা আসবে।
তুমি পুরোপুরি ওটার মানে ওই পয়েন্টে স্টিক করতে চাও যে পুজো না হলে বেটার?
মানে যদি না হলে বেটার, কিন্তু যদিও বা হয়, তাও এটা যদি মেনে চলা হয় প্রিকশন গুলো, তাহলে অনেকটা মানে মেনটেন করা যাবে, যদি খুব ছোট করে যদি হয়।
আচ্ছা, anyone else on this
Also,
point?
I think if the government, uh, if they stop the public transport, I think if they make it like people can, like, they only let out like a limited number of public transport, and people with their private, like, own transportations can only travel. I don't know. This sounds a bit tricky, by the way. Like, while I'm saying it, I'm figuring it out on my mind that I don't know whether it will be it can be implemented or not. But it's again a very gray area. It's again a very gray area.
তাহলে বেঙ্গলের মানুষ গভর্নমেন্টকে ওই ইট পাথকল ছুড়ে মারবে ভাই, ঠিক যেমন ইস্ট বেঙ্গল আর মোহনবাগানের ম্যাচে হতো।
In my opinion, I think people, the common folks, have to be cautious. Otherwise, কারণ আমরা যদি নিজেদের ভালো না বুঝি, so ultimately it will affect us. আর আমার এখানে specifically, when I live in a small town and the so-called Mofusshol, and people are just not, giving a fuck to anything. They just living their normal life.
I think everything boils down to a single, like, an individual. Everything boils down to what each person wants and how they want to take care of themselves.
Okay, anyone else with any kind of suggestion?
See, I think, Shreya here, I think there are two strands to this thing. One is creativity. We already have heard about people coming up with creative ideas of building pandal structures, like they are building big structures of sanitizer bottles and masks and all that. So that's a new strand of creativity, I think. They're creating something new out of the pandals and stuff. And the other thing I would like to say is faith. I mean, people have immense faith. Think about the older people, maybe your grandma, your grandpa at home. They are still hopeful that Durga's chastity and that bhakti hi shakti hai, that would, eradicate the virus in some or the other ways. It's just about faith in their head, maybe. So these are the two strands that I could think of.
Okay. Anyone else?
I did not get what, I think the last person who spoke was Shreya, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Was I audible enough?
Yeah, you were audible enough. I just did not get your point over there.
Oh, okay, I was talking about, two strands to this. First was creativity.
Yeah.
Because, people are coming up with creative themes for building pandals. I just came across a post where I saw people are building sanitizer bottles and masks. I mean, big structures of pandals in the form of sanitizer bottle or mask. So the pandal hoppers, they would enter that big bottle of sanitizer. That's a hell lot of creativity, I think. That's a strand to it. And the other strand would be faith. People do have immense faith in themselves, especially the older people. Maybe our grandpas and grandmothers, just go and ask them, they would say Bhagwan pe sab chhod do. So the Durga Ma's chastity and bhakti hi shakti hai, that faith in them, their thought is this would help eradicate the virus. That's it. They are leaving everything upon to Durga Ma and when she hails down to earth.
I really don't think that people are actually giving up everything on God. I really don't think that. And I don't think that is the way how it should be, though. Like,
No, absolutely not. This is not scientific. I mean, I did not ever support this. I was just like giving possible strands to this entire aspect?
Yeah,
How
I mean,
people are thinking
there
of
are a lot of people. I mean, for the sake of hope, even we say it at sometimes that আরে পুজোটা আসুক, পুজোটা I hope পুজোটাতে সব ঠিকঠাক হয়ে যায়. That is a different way of thinking, that we also say things like that at times, but I don't think there is any person who is leaving everything in the hands of God and being like, this is my life, I'm going to live it the way I want to live, and the rest God can take care of. I don't think anybody, like be it any person from any generation ever thinks like that. I really don't think that. And the other thing I want to mention, Ankit, is 2019, like post 2019 Durga Puja. So there was I don't remember who were this three Durga Puja communities basically in Bengal. They signed up with this organization and took to this thing, virtual pujo. So what it does basically is, so generally during the pujos and all, there are like a lot of people and it's very congested basically. So what they did was, they were actually planning to execute it this year, but it all turned into haywire basically. But anyway, the point is that they took to this site where you can log in and you'll be able to hear all the mantras and everything, and you can pay them for the donations and everything that you need to pay for, like the proshad and everything basically. So I think if people can do that to go through the at least সকালের দিকটা, when you need to give অঞ্জলি and যে টাইমটাতে মেইন ভিড় হয় basically, when a lot of people are coming in অঞ্জলি ফঞ্জলি দেওয়ার জন্য, ওই টাইমটা if people can maintain certain things, and I don't know whether it's widely applicable or not. But yeah, I specifically know about these three communities who actually signed up with this organization.
Okay. Hello, listeners. I just forgot to mention you that Ms. Dipshika Karmakar is a committee member of Notun Shongho, Behala. Various Durga Puja committee have been trying to figure out ways to maintain a safe and secure environment in their puja pandals. Do you think it will be possible to maintain these guidelines accurately, given by the huge mass of people holding the pandals?
Yeah, it completely depends. It completely depends on us. The puja committee can maintain the social distancing if we cooperate. It completely depends on our cooperation. If we use masks and proper things and maintain the social distance.
See, I don't think we can cooperate. Okay, I don't think we can cooperate. Sorry to argue with you. I don't think we can because I can see people running in the bazaars, like without mask, without anything, pushing each other to buy a begun bhaja na khele amar sokale.
Yeah, begun and aloo and all these potol and everything and fish. Special mention fish has to be there.
How do you think we Indians can?
No. That's why I'm saying that it completely depends on us. If we cooperate, then it's completely possible, and if we don't, then it's not possible.
Yeah, right. But I have one point. Can I speak?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please.
So what I wanted to say is that, in bazaars and everything, there is nobody who can control the crowd. There's nobody who can. But in pujo pandals, what can happen is there is a committee, right? There is a committee who is responsible for their own pujo pandal. So I think if they are stern enough and they actually restrict the entry of certain people who are without masks or not maintaining the distance, irrespective of which passes they have, irrespective of which media house they belong to, I think then we can do it.
They try to control every year by saying dada ekhane daraben na, ekhane photo tulben na, but I do click pictures of the idol.
Yeah, since this year the situation is not that fragile, I think it does not only boil down to taking pictures. I think it is much more serious than past all these years. I think the puja committee, like those members have to be stern enough, and obviously I completely agree with Shogata saying that it eventually comes down to people and how they want to take care of themselves. But I think it works both ways, like every member of the committee, I think even they should be stern enough. that this is not going to work here and this is how it is supposed to be done. If you're not following it, you can just get the fuck out of here.
Okay.
I think I have a point to put down.
Yes.
Put forward rather. We can enhance this virtual puja tours, that is Puja Porikrama this year,
Okay.
in manifolds. I mean, people can just sit back in their homes and people who are doing videography and photography outside. Just a bunch of people, so that the crowd is less outside. They can go and, make videos, proper photos. They can just arrange for it so that this Puja Porikrama can be enjoyed better from home, so that people are not going out.
But still,
So if everything can,
it's Kolkata and it's Bangali. So they will say, "Na paaye hete na dekhle," we won't get that emotion.
It's not only about be it anywhere in Bengal. Paaye hete na pujoটা হচ্ছে।
Exactly, it's exactly Bengal. It's
Puja Porikrama in general also it happens. But এবার যদি একটু enhance করা যায়, অনেকেই পুজো পরিক্রমার উপরে depend করে. If you have elderly people at your homes, they really cannot go outside for pandal hopping, late night, দুটো অবধি শ্রীভূমিতে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে. They cannot do that. পুজো পরিক্রমাটাকে একটু enhance করলে কি? Even kids can enjoy it ওদের বাড়িতে বসে। মানে we are dependent on Netflix, Hotstar and all that. We are working from home. In fact, virtual traveling and touring ও হচ্ছে. So why not pujo? Why not pandal hopping virtually?
Actually, I do so. আমি বাড়িতে বসে পুজো এনজয় করি।
হ্যাঁ, এক্স্যাক্টলি। আমার যেহেতু একদম ফ্ল্যাটের নিচে পুজো হয়, so I don't even step out মানে any of the years. But I feel that eventually everything comes down to celebrating and getting the essence of Durga Puja, right? I think people can do it even see, since I am not a pandal hopper essentially, so maybe I don't understand the need of people to do it, but I think people can restrict it to their own neighborhood pujos, right? I mean, I think সবার আশেপাশে কোথাও একটা তো পুজো হয়. I think people can just keep it at that and celebrate it over there with their own friends, and this can be a great time to actually catch up with your para friends, people whom you don't get enough time to catch up with amidst your college friends and your work colleagues. I think this can be a great time to actually catch up with people who stays nearby.
See, যাদের বাড়িতে পুজো হয় তারা এমনি 4টা দিন বের হয় না, কারণ কি তাদের ঘরে নিজেই পুজো হচ্ছে। ওকে, তো নিজের পাড়ার পুজোটাকেও আমরা নিজের বাড়ির পুজোর মতন নিয়ে নিতে পারি।
মানে আমি তো ছোট থেকে তাই করে এসেছি।
The Chief Minister of West Bengal is all up about Bengal being able to celebrate Durga Puja. Do you agree with her opinion?
I would like to make no comments about the CM's comment, but she's very optimistic, which I like. She's very optimistic because we are not sure if we would survive this or not. I'm sounding so pessimistic right now because today only I came across the news that 5 million cases India has crossed. So let's not, extinguish hopes that there would be no Durga Puja this year. There would be nothing. So even if we buy jewelries, let it be less expensive. Even if we buy clothes, let it be less expensive. Even if we eat outside, let it be less fancy. Also, let it be dine-ins and not dine-outs. And I absolutely like the very fact that the CM is at least optimistic about it. She's not staunch ke kuch bhi nahi hoga, keu berobe na, lathi charge kora hobe berole, kono pandal hobe na. Because she's at least helping the small industries. Maybe একটা ঝালমুড়ি ওয়ালাও যদি বসে, তার যদি 5টা ঝালমুড়ির প্যাকেট ও যদি সে সেল করতে পারে, that's a revenue generation in its own way. So at least she's supporting that. So she's optimistic about it. I support that.
Yeah. She has made a committee. I think perhaps the name of the committee is Durgotsav or something.
Yeah.
Yes.
The committee is working on all these procedures to keep up the out control, all these things. So I completely support her because she's very optimistic. She is very optimistic. Kintu it completely depends on people.
Okay. সাথী, তোমার পয়েন্ট হচ্ছে দুর্গাপুজো হওয়া উচিত না, বাট এখানে চিফ মিনিস্টার বলছে, চিফ মিনিস্টার ইজ ট্রাইং টু celebrate Durga Puja. What's your view? Do you agree with our Chief Minister?
Our Honorable Chief Minister on Monday said that Durga Puja pandal should be kept open. মানে বলেছে যে হাওয়া হাওয়া যত পাস করবে তত নাকি ভাইরাস নাকি বেরিয়ে যাবে, কিপ প্যান্ডেলস ওপেন, লেট এয়ার ফ্লো। তো আই ডোন্ট থিঙ্ক ইট ক্যান, যে
ভাইরাস, সরি ফর
হাওয়া
ইন্টারাপ্টিং ইউ সাথী, বাট ভাইরাস বেরিয়ে যাবার
হ্যাঁ
কথাটা আমি পড়িনি, বাট আমি পড়েছিলাম যে প্যানেলটা মানে ওপেন থাকলে, খোলা থাকলে এটি হেল্প দি পিপল টু ব্রিথ প্রপারলি। আর আরেকটা যেটা আমি পড়েছিলাম যে শি হ্যাজ
কনজেশনটাও কম
টেকেন দিস,
হবে।
এক্স্যাক্টলি। আর আরেকটা যেটা আমি পড়েছিলাম যে শি হ্যাজ টেকেন দিস দুর্গাপুজো দিস ইয়ার অ্যাজ আ বিগ চ্যালেঞ্জ।
Okay.
ইয়েস ইয়েস হ্যাঁ।
I think I agree with her, like what the CM has said. Let's just keep the pandals a bit open and free and airy, confined space. Jate na hoy. I do agree with it. She's optimistic. Also, we should be responsible on our parts. Like mostly for girls, I would be addressing this. Please, girls, tone down your, hasty buying of new lipstick shades, and please wear masks. এই বছরটা lipstick shades না দেখালেও চলবে. Wear masks until and unless you want to eat something. Just wear masks and speak and sing and shout and whatever you feel.
You know,
like doing.
fun
That's
fact, there are transparent masks which are available now.
True.
it. I
Yeah,
didn't know about this.
yeah,
There
this
are
is
fashion
really
trends
funny.
also. With the GDP falling down to as low as ever recorded, that is -24, the idol makers in Kumotuli are amongst the worst hit section of the society. Sales have significantly lowered for them. Hence, these people who wait long for the Durga Puja to earn a major part of their incomes are now in an almost helpless state. What is your opinion? Way to be done to make the situation better?
See, first of all, the first thing that comes to my mind is একজন আইডল মেকার যদি জেনারেল টাইমে 100টা ঠাকুরের মূর্তি বানানোর অর্ডার পায়, this year he might be getting 20 to 25 max and not more than that. What we can do is we can do a fundraiser. Maybe young people like you, young people like me, young people like the people here, the nice people here in this podcast audio recording, like we young people, we can just take up a fundraiser. মানে আমাদের যাদবপুর ইউনিভার্সিটিতেও ছোটখাটো সমস্যাতেও we always opt for a fundraiser. কারোর একটা কিছু হলো,
Yeah.
a very beloved Bhutnath, we have done a fundraiser for him. So we can just do these things maybe. তাদের হাতে কিছু কাঁচা টাকা, কিছু liquid cash. If I'm like here through my message, we can just supply them with that.
Okay.
ঠিক আছে, 100টার জায়গায় you're getting 20 to 25 order taking ঠাকুর, তো the rest we can have a fundraiser, কিছু liquid cash তাদের হাতে দেওয়া, so that they can also enjoy their pujos. I think that would be the best. Otherwise, government interference is the best thing we can expect.
But I think this
Yeah.
year, at least this year, people should not transact in credit. This is the worst year to keep the idol makers waiting to actually pay them full in cash later. I think this is the worst year for that. I think people should always transact in liquid cash, like then and there. Basically, that's what I mean.
Listeners, as Shreya stated about the fundraiser, do take part in the donation drive campaign organized by you only, and try to donate something, anything. It can be a penny, it can be 1,000 rupees also. Try to donate something for these idol makers. Tell your friends to donate. Don't just waste their talent. Durga Puja is all about crowded pandals from Maddox to Domdom Park. So street foods around every corner of the street and whatnot. But with the COVID-19 spreading, its reach is worse as ever. Things are up for a massive change. What changes do you hope to encounter with regards to pandal hopping in comparison to the previous year?
See, fast food কোনোদিনও hygienic তো ছিল না. But
Yeah.
this year, maybe we can look into if we are using hand sanitizers or not, if the person who is selling it, if he's using gloves, if he's using proper clean dishes and plates, if he's using a mask while, interacting with people. Also, direct liquid cash transaction na kore, if the small shack owners are also using, GPay and Paytm, because আমরা এখন ঠাকুরকে মন্দিরে দক্ষিণা দিতে গেলেও Paytm করতে পারি. So I think small shop owners রাও Paytm বা Google Pay. So এভাবে we can, take precautions. Otherwise, if pandal hopping is happening outside, so street food we cannot really avoid. Rather, people would opt for puchka, people would opt for ice cream and softies, people would opt for cold drinks. সবাই বাড়ি থেকে খাবার ক্যারি করতে পারবে না, so hygiene maintain করলে I think it's possible.
With the pandemic looming all about us, almost every sphere of life has shifted to the virtual or digital platform. Do you think there is any way in which Durga Puja might also be celebrated through virtual platform?
It's a difficult question to address. In fact, হচ্ছেও, হয়নি তা না। অনলাইনে টাকা পাঠিয়ে প্রণামী দেওয়া, ইনফ্যাক্ট অনলাইনে টাকা পাঠিয়ে দিয়ে বলে দেওয়া ঠাকুর মশাইদেরকে যে buy sweets and buy stuff and offer it to the god/goddess on behalf of you. তো এরকম হয়েছে, হয়নি তা না। বাট দুর্গা পূজা কনসিডারিং ইটস গ্র্যান্ডিয়র, আমার মনে হয় এখনো একটু ইম্পসিবল কনসিডারিং কলকাতার মানুষজন।
Okay. Deepshika?
Yeah, can you repeat the question once again? Like, what is the point of the question? Celebrated digitally this year, or should it become prevalent?
There is any way in which Durga Puja might also be celebrated in online platform?
Yeah, I mean, it would be nice if we can get a glimpse, like in bits and pieces through it virtually. But as a whole, I think everything constitutes Durga Puja. Everything in its own little ways constitutes Durga Puja, be it pandal hopping for some people, be it their own parar puja. I think making it completely virtual would be taking away from the festival itself. But yeah, we can always take a few steps forward and see how people react to it. Are these things quite approachable for the wider mass of people? I think we can always check it out. And this has also happened like over the years, মানে যেটা শ্রেয়াদি বললো অনলাইন পেমেন্ট বল বা ইনফ্যাক্ট অনেক প্যান্ডেলে এই জিনিসটা হয় দ্যাট মন্ত্র পড়ার সময় a lot of people they do it in micro holes. So I think that is also, it is not virtually, but it is also a part where people can stay at their own home and they offer the Anjali being wherever they are. They don't need to actually conjure the entire pandal to do it. So yeah, these are the few ways that people have already started it. But yeah, let's hope for the best this year.
Okay. Sogato, anything?
Yeah, it's completely possible, but we act as Durga Puja, it's all about its form and glitter, so grandeur. It's like a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film, and it's completely possible to enjoy that film on an OTT platform, but you don't want to enjoy that film on an OTT platform. You have to go to the theaters and you have to wait until the theater opens. So you just want to you love to go to the
amazingly put, yeah.
It's not about
Shogata has put it amazingly.
Listeners who don't know Shogata Bhattacharya is a massive film movie buff, okay, and he do research about many films. He's interested about many kind of films. You can check his profile on Facebook.
Yeah.
And with that, we come to the end of our episode for today. Thank you, Deepshika.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shogato. Thank you, Shreyadi.
Thank you so much. It was a treat.
And thank you, Shati,
Thank you so much.
for being a part of today's podcast. See you guys on the next episode of What Youth Thinks, where I will be back again with some unique and interesting topic. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube and Spotify. You can listen this podcast also on Apple Music, Radio Public, and Pocket Cast too. You're all in for a joyful journey celebrating the energy of being a youth. So stay tuned for more. Thank you so much, guys, for being a part of today's podcast.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.